Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I'll share a recipe with you which is known as rasam. Rasam is very much popular in south region, and it also have a medicinal properties. It is good for a cold, cough, throat infection. So it's very easy, very simple. So let's see how to make rasam today in Kerala style. Every region, or every state, you say, they have their own way recipes for rasam. Like in Kerala, there is a different way of rasam recipe. If you go to Tamil Nadu, you will get other way of recipe of rasam. So today I will be sharing with you rasam recipe of Kerala. So let's see the ingredients required for this. Fresh coriander leaves, pepper seeds, mustard seeds, jeera, ajwain, garlic, ginger. Garlic and ginger we need more in quantity, as everyone know it is very good for cold, cough. It also has a medicinal property. So these two ingredients we need bit more in rasam. Red chili, curry leaves, turmeric powder, hing, and this is tamarind water. I have a tamarind in this, which I have soaked in this water. You can see tamarind. So tamarind water now, and salt for taste. Here I have taken this mortar, stone mortar. With the help of this, first we will crush all the spices. First I am putting pepper, ajwain, jeera, garlic. ये बहुत ही अच्छी और बहुत अच्छी रेसिपी है. स्पेशली आपको अभी जो कोल्ड है, कफ होगा, थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन होगा, तो आप ये रसम की रेसिपी बनाइए. इसको आप सूप जैसे भी आप पी सकते हो. यू कैन टेक दिस, you can intake this as a soup also. It's really watery. It goes well with hot rice. So अब इसको हम कूट के लेंगे. We'll crush it. You can see this. I have crushed it like this. सारे स्पाइसेस को मैंने ऐसे क्रश कर लिया है. ये देखिए. अभी हम गैस पे कढ़ाई रखेंगे. I have already kept कढ़ाई in the gas. I'll on the gas now. Keep it in a medium flame. We'll add oil. Any refined oil you can use. Mustard seed, curry leaves, just saute it, red chili, and crushed spices. Now immediately pour tamarind water. Only water. See, tamarind is here only. I have only put water. Now we'll add turmeric, salt as per taste, hing, mix it nicely. Coriander leaves, let it get boil. Once it comes to boil, you just check the consistency you need. If you need more watery, you can add water, or else not needed. Now this I will allow it to cook. Let it get boiled nicely. It will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. ये देखो बॉईल हो रहा है. Can see. I'll add some more water. That's it. It has all medicinal property. We have added turmeric, we have added pepper and jeera. This all has a medicinal property, ginger, garlic. So please everyone do try this. This rasam recipe is very easy, very quick, simple and very good for your health. You can take this, you can intake this as a soup also, and it goes well with hot rice. It's spicy, tangy and healthy rasam. See, let it get boiled nicely once again. We'll cook it more 5 minutes and then we'll switch off the gas. ये देखिए दोस्तों, अच्छे से बॉईल हो गया है. So rasam is ready. Kerala style rasam is ready. This is without tomato. Instead of tomato, why do we use tomato? हम टोमेटो क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? वन, एक टैंजीनेस के लिए, खटास के लिए. तो उसके बदले में मैंने यहाँ पे टैमरिन वाटर यूज़ किया है. टैमरिन वाटर इज़ वेरी गुड. It will clear your throat also. So instead of tomato, I have used tamarind water here. It's very simple, very easy. Please everyone do try this rasam recipe and let me know how did you like it. If you liked my video, please do like, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification of my upcoming videos. Let's turn off the gas and we'll transfer it in the serving bowl. You can drink it as a soup also. It's very good for health. It clears your throat, cold, cough. It's very good. Please do try this rasam recipe and do comment me how did you like it. It goes well with hot rice. So friends, rasam is ready. I'll just garnish it with a coriander leaves. You can also have it as a soup. So everyone, do try this recipe and do let me know how did you like. If you liked this, please do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So rasam is ready. So friends, thank you for watching my video and thanks for all your support. I'll see you soon with new video. Till then, please take care and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Take care all of you.